Bespoke line charts. An introduction. We are going to be creating several bespoke data visualizations using the line mark type. In the previous section, we drew points on a canvas. Now we are going to connect those points to give us our data visualizations. We are going to create a radial bar chart. We are going to be creating a radial column chart. One of my personal favorites, and I don't use this enough, we're going to be creating a gauge chart. Something a bit more special, we are going to be creating a spiral radial column chart. Say that in one sentence quickly. And finally, something a little bit newer, we are going to be creating a dendrogram chart or diagram. The key here is that we've put points onto a canvas. Now we're going to connect these. We're going to use data identification, table calculations, and with the dendrogram, a lot of mathematics. However, I will walk you through the entire process. We are going to have fun. We're going to learn something, and more importantly, we're going to build something. Let's get hands-on. See you in the next lesson.